Hello guys, today we are unboxing this brand new Philips Water Solutions on-tap filtration system. It's a filter for your tap water and it's a pretty good solution. I've been using the previous model of this filtration system. You can see my video of it for a few years, but it kind of broke. Maybe I will explain why it broke, but yeah. I was tired of buying water from the store, bringing bottles every day, bottled water. We have good tap water here, but still it has some issues because it smells a bit like chlorine, because they use chlorine to clean it from bacteria and other things. And sometimes when we have water outages, the water is not good for drinking for 1-2 days. So usually we bought bottled water, but that's a bit tiresome process and I didn't want to do it anymore. And this filtration system has this small filter which is good for 1000 liters of water, of filtered water, and it attaches on the back. Here it has Philips logo and it has 3 modes of water distribution. First, this one is like filtered water, then there is something like a shower, and the third is normal stream of water. But let's start unboxing this, see what's inside. Yep, no fuss about this packaging. First, oh, it's a bit huge. First we have the adapters. There are several different adapters depending on the type of tap that you have. Philips says that these can be used with 99% of all water taps. And this here is the system with the mounted filter in a little plastic bag, very clean, very nice thing. Throw this here, and this is the way it mounts on your tap, and you use one of these things, and we have something like a timer here, no, and this here is the cup for the filter, and we have the filter itself, which is also packaged inside this plastic wrap. It's a way smaller filter than the one that I had before, but we'll see how it goes when we install this. And you can see here you have something like a timer, or I don't know what it is. Maybe it shows you when you put this filter which month, and when you are good to change it. We'll see in the menu. Here are the 3 modes. This is for filtered water, this is for shower, and this is for normal stream. So we'll be using it like that. And yeah, so now let's go and install the filter on our tap. First we will remove our old filter that we used before, because it broke. Apparently when you have too much pressure this snaps, and my son wanted water and he put the tap very strongly, the water, and it broke this thing that I glued, but I don't like. And we remove the old filter and we will try one of these fittings. Important thing to remember is to remove the filter here that is inside the hose. All hoses, all taps have these filters that can be put inside, and we'll see if one of these, no, this is not suitable, this is not suitable, all of these are not suitable, so we'll use the universal filter that Philips provide. First we'll unscrew. Apparently this is an IKEA tap, and they are a bit different than the other taps. We have two rubber things here that can be removed like that, and one of them can be removed, the insider one, to install, because I don't think, oops, oh, it's jumping around. I think this one will fit our needs, so we'll put it like that, and I'll try to install it. It may be a bit tricky in the beginning, but yeah, I don't know if these old marks from the old one will have some impact on the new filter. So we unscrew in order to be able to fit this better. Some more. Apparently this tap is on the bigger side, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. One drawback of the old system is that sometimes it leaks, and it wasn't very easy to install, but this one is only with one bolt and should be easier. I don't know how much I should screw. There is not mention anything in the manual, and now we have to use one of these, I think, like that. This one, yep, apparently this one, you screw it good, and then we'll put the filter, but first we'll remove the plastic wrapping on the filter, and then we'll put it like that, and we will twist it, and then you select the month that you install the filter. It's currently end of August. We'll put middle of August, and then what we do here, yes, we open the system like that, and it notches, and now we'll see if it's flowing. This is normal water, this is the shower type, and we will try the filter water. No, it's the filter water. It fills the filter, and oh, it's black. We didn't expect that, but apparently the filter uses charcoal, active charcoal, and you should leave it to drain for a couple of minutes, they say, for the first time, and then you're good to go to drink the water. This filtration system costs around 30 euros with one filter included, and the filters are I think 15 euros, $15, I don't know, in US money. But yeah, so far so good, it doesn't leak. It's a bit ugly like that, but we can't do much about it. And we'll try to drink some water. And now we'll fill the first glass of water with this filtered water to see if it's doing its jobs. Its job. Why multiple jobs? No, it's good, it's good. It's okay. Important thing to know about the filter is that if you don't use it for 1-2 days, then the first time you filter the water, you should go and clean the filter for 20 or more seconds, because the water may get stale. And if you don't use the filter for 2 weeks, for more than 2 weeks, then you should clean the filter, put the water running through the filter for like 3 minutes. This is according to the manual. One drawback of this filter is that it's lower, and we use this what is this called? Yeah, this water container I will call it, because it's out of my mind now, to fill it, but now it doesn't fit. But we'll use other means. So if you like my video, drink a lot of water, like, subscribe, share with friends, see my other video with the old system, the old Philips system, and yeah, enjoy. Have a good evening, afternoon, whatever, and peace.